Greetings to everyone. I am going to talk about my research project called Seismic Hazard Assessment for Extreme Ground Motions in Earth source environments. During large earthquakes, high-intensity values are registered and are known as ground motion. In the probabilistic seismic hazard analysis, PSHA, the use of ground motions prediction equation, GMPs, is an important part of predicting the seismic intensities for future earthquakes in a specific site. The GMPs that are empirical models estimate the median predicted intensity value across the entire frequency band of engineering interest, and are obtained as a linear convolution of specific parameters such source, path, event, site, plus minus standard deviation. Here, I plot the within event residuals values for two GMPs models for subduction zones, Montalva et al. 2017 and Abrahamson et al. 2016. I compare the plus minus one standard deviation from the Kike earthquake data with the residual values. This shows a misfit of values between the first 30 to 70 kilometers of source to site distance in the near source region. What happened with Chilean Megathrust earthquakes? For near source records in the high frequency range, that this frequency is higher than 1 Hz, it shows a scattering of the within event residuals values for the Kike earthquake. Based on the above, we thinking numerical modeling or physics-based numerical simulations. Why? First, there is a scarcity of large earthquakes registered data for subduction zones. Two, the GMPs work well when we have small earthquake plus short distance, or when we have large earthquake plus long distance. On the other hand, when we have a large earthquake plus short distance or near source, is the condition for work with physics-based numerical simulations. Large earthquakes correspond to the sum of several subfaults inside the entire structure area that provokes the event. Then, the aim of this work is to reduce epistemic uncertainty within a parametric space that is bounded by the physics of the problem. The numerical modeling tools I am working with are the FEM package pilot, a cluster from UDE, which has 96 cores and 264 gigabytes of RAM. And the expected frequency are from 0.01 up to 1.5 Hertz. Here, I present the seismic station in all four, which recorded the Maule event from 2010 event as an example of modeling with a FEM package such pilot. I selected the cross section A near to Talca City to show the two-dimensional FEM mesh. Next, I ran pilot, and the deformation has been exaggerated by a factor of 100 for a better visualization of the deformed area was generated by the earthquake. With the results, I compared registered data with simulated values where a misfit of them can be seen in a short period or high frequency range. At this stage of my project, I am working on getting reasonably well-calibrated results by comparing them with proven data. Finally, the challenge is with the physics-based numerical simulations, we want to change the median and the standard deviation to reduce the uncertainty. Thank you.